In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link pages on Webflow. We'll start inside your project in the Webflow Designer. On the canvas, click the element you want to turn into a link. This could be a button, a text block, or even an image. If it's text, click once to place your cursor and type the exact label you want visitors to see. Keep it short and descriptive so people know where they're heading. When you're done, click outside the text to confirm your changes. With the element still selected, move to the right-hand side and open the Element Settings panel, the one with the small gear icon. In the Link Settings area, choose the option to link to a page within your site. You'll see a drop-down that says, Choose a Page. Click that drop-down and pick your destination page, such as your home page. Linking to an internal page like this is best practice because Webflow will manage the path for you, even if you later update page slugs. Next, decide how the link should open. You'll see an option for Open in New tab. For most internal navigation, keep it on the default behavior so visitors stay in the same tab and can use the back button naturally. Reserve Open in New tab for external sites or documents where you don't want users to lose their place. If you don't see every option, click Show All Settings to expand the full set of controls. This is a good moment to double-check that the correct element is selected, confirm the link type is set to page, and make sure there aren't any conflicting interactions. If accessibility is a priority, you can also add a clear descriptive name so screen readers announce where the link goes. Once everything looks good, it's time to publish. Go to the top right and click Publish. In the dialog, choose Publish to selected domains. This sends your latest changes live to the domains you've connected. If you're working in a staged workflow, make sure your staging domain is selected so you can review safely before pushing to production. After publishing, give the page a quick look in your browser and try the link to confirm it goes exactly where you expect. If the page list ever looks empty in the chooser, verify your target page exists in the Pages panel. And remember, for dynamic content, you can also link to collection pages or specific items using the same settings area. That's it. You've linked an element to a page in Webflow